Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Humble Indian Traders. Let us look at the trade that I had taken today in Bank Nifty. Okay, now you see, first things first, in the yesterday's video I had clearly told that this zone is going to act as a support zone if the market opens gap down, and exactly as discussed, market opened gap down and immediately it bounced from this region. And first initial few minutes were very choppy in the market showed a strong up move and then down move. I had not participated in any of these things because, as I have told yesterday, my view was very clear that I wanted to short the market at 39,200, or else I wanted, if the market completely opens gap down, I wanted to buy after a huge gap down. Okay, now that was my plan. I was actually planning for some good reversal trades. I did not wanted to take any breakout trades. That was very clear. Now you see, once the market gave this day high breakout and it broke previous day high as well, can you see that though the breakout occurred on the upside, the market was struggling to move. This is the rising wedge pattern. Okay, rising wedge patterns and falling wedge patterns are one of my favorite patterns. They indicate the exhaustion in the movement. Okay, now once the breakdown occurred, I had shorted 38,900 CE and I booked my profits exactly at this region. Once this end pattern came, see, market had bounced once from this point. It was very clear that market is again going to bounce. So I had started to trail candle by candle at this point, and this update was even given in the Telegram group as well. Look at this. Okay, see here, I had clearly told that start to trail candle by candle now at around 130, and then trailing stop loss got hit in next 4-5 minutes. All these things were shared in the Telegram group as well. Now what was the second trade? Was second trade, and I had actually thought I had closed my day, but I got a very good opportunity. Look at this inverted head and shoulders pattern, and market was consolidating here. Now today's price action was exactly similar to yesterday's price action. Observe this carefully. Okay, let me show you what happened yesterday and what happened today. See here. Now all these things comes from observation and experience. Okay, look at this. Market gave a strong up move, gave a good pullback, right? And then went near the day high, went back near the day high, spent some time there, and in last 15 or 20 minutes a strong move. Don't you think this is what exactly has happened today also, right? Now this is what I was expecting, the same thing. This learning has come from yesterday itself, right? See here, market gave a up move initially, then a down move, then you see market spends some time here and gives the rally. Now this was the rally that I captured. This was the last trade of the day. Now let us see what can happen tomorrow. वैसे तो I am not a huge fan of analysis videos that comes for tomorrow, because I think whatever we tell, right, those things exactly won't happen tomorrow. Okay, we cannot trade them. Trading and in the live market happens completely dynamically for me. I don't do any analysis. I don't have any levels for me. I have some rough plans, and if those plans don't work out, I decide, do the decisions dynamically in the live market itself. But let us now look at what can be done tomorrow. First things first, 39,200 level is a strong resistance. If I get any negative candle at this level, right, I am going to short the market. That is for sure, because I know that I am going to get at least a 100-point move from that region. At least 80 to 100 points move is for sure, and in that 100 points move I can easily get 1000 to 1500 rupees, right, per lot. Now you see, what if the market opens gap down? Let us analyze all the situations. What if the market opens gap down? If the market opens gap down in this region, in exactly in this region from where the market has bounced today, okay, if the market opens gap down in this region, and if it gives any green candle, reversal candle, we are going to be bullish. Okay, we are going to be bullish. Tomorrow is a monthly expiry, so expiry day I will look to short these levels. I will short 38,800 PE. Now this is the plan if the market opens gap down. If the market opens gap up exactly at the resistance level, and if it gives a red candle here, right, if we get any rejection from there, I am still going to short. I am going to short 39,200 CE in that case. Most probably, if the market continues to fall after 70 or 80% theta decay, I will exit. Okay. If it starts to take support and again reverses, then I will trail my stop loss very, very tightly because I don't want any strong movement. Remember, tomorrow is a monthly expiry as well. So market can be volatile. Okay. Market can be volatile because people will be shifting their positions. They will be taking forward to the next month. So there can be huge volatility tomorrow. So be careful. Okay. Option buyers, you have to be very careful. Now, suppose my market directly opens above this level, because 39,200 level is just around 100 points far, right? It is just 100 points far. Now, what if the market opens directly above this level? Now, if the market opens directly above this level, then I think this is a panic scenario for all the people who have sold, right? All the sellers who have sold in this region, it is a panic scenario for them, because all the profits they have made, they would have lost it, and they would start to see some negative PNL. Now, if after opening gap up, if the market starts to fall, right, these people, when the market starts to fall and it comes to exactly at 39,200 level again, they will have a break even PNL. Try to understand this. Okay, when the markets open huge gap up, all these sellers will be facing a negative PNL. If the market starts to reverse, these people, right, these people will again start to have a break even. So once they see the break even, they might exit. The call sellers might exit their position by hitting the buy button. So there are possibilities that market can come to this level and it might again show a reversal. Okay, and then it might again continue the journey or whatever. But if the market opens gap up and it starts to show the rejection, I will start to short the higher levels. I might short 39,500, 600 levels. Okay, now what if market opens flat is the question. What if market opens flat somewhere between this level, right, from 39,000 to this 39,100 level? If the market opens flat, after opening flat, if it gives the breakdown on lower side, I'll immediately short again. I'll again immediately short 39,200 CE. Okay, now if after spending some time, if it gives the breakout on the upside, right, if it gives the breakout on the upside after spending some time, then in that case, I will not do any selling side trade. I will directly initiate the buying side trade. It means I'll become an option buyer. Okay, because if the market spends some time and it starts to give the breakout, all these people who have shorted the market at this level, they will get it trapped, and then they will start to exit their position. As a result of that, market can immediately give 100 to 200 points move, easy move. I will try to capture that as an option buyer. Okay, so this is my plan for tomorrow. Let us have a quick look at Nifty as well. Okay, I don't trade Nifty much, but let us anyway have a look at Nifty chart as well. Nifty chart is looking very easy to trade for tomorrow. It is stuck in this ascending triangle pattern and it can give the breakout on either side. If market opens flat and gives the breakdown, right, below this candle, you can short. This should be your first target, and second target is the yesterday's day low. Okay, this is the day low, and from this point you can again expect a reversal. In that case, what happens? Market is going to be stuck in this range for the entire day. What if the market gives a breakout on the upper side? In that case, I will not participate in the trade. I will try to short the market either at this level or this level. Okay, because these are previous hurdle zones. I'll try to short the market, because you see what happens on expiry days usually. Once the market has rallied in one direction, right? Now you understand what is happening. When the market is rallying on one direction, CE prices will shoot up. CE prices will shoot up. Okay, and when CE or PE prices will shoot up, you know that this is an expiry day, and this being an expiry day, this will attract the sellers. Once the CE price shoots up and market goes and hits the resistance, right, this level, this is around 17,800. Okay, so 17,850 CE will be trading at some good value. What are the sellers want to do now? Because now these people have made the money. Okay, now 17,850, this from when market has rallied from here to here, PE sellers have made good money. Now CE sellers also would like to make good money. What will they do? They will immediately start to short 17,850 because they will be getting some very good premium. And the people who have entered from this region, right, they will they would have already made some good money. That is why they will start to exit their trade, and new sellers are coming from the top. From the bullish view, suddenly the market will go into bearish zone. Market will again fall down. Okay, that is why on most of the expiries, what happens is market will be sideways. Okay, after giving a huge rally, we have seen in many expiries that after giving huge rally, market will suddenly drop on expiries, or else it will be completely sideways. Only on few occasions market actually goes up and stays in that zone. This happens only on few days, but even in those days also market will give a good pullback, and only then it will continue. Okay, so now this is my plan for the tomorrow's day. It is a monthly expiry, so please trade with less quantities. Try to be an option seller rather than being an option buyer. I have clearly told when I am going to do option buying. I am going to do option buying only and only if market opens flat, right? Bank Nifty opens flat, spends lot of time near this 39,200 level, and if then it gives the breakout, then I will directly initiate 39,200 CE buying. Okay, I might get 100 to 150 rupees easy targets, right? This is my plan for the day. Subscribe to our page and stay tuned for the more contents. Thank you.